What is up, everyone? My name's Hunter So. Hello and welcome to the Altitude University drone community, and happy Friday. On Monday we covered speed ramping, and today we're going to be covering color grading. Color grading is one of the most important aspects of all of your video creation, so let's jump right into it. So here we are in Premiere. We have 3 clips here with no colors on them. First things first, we're going to create an adjustment layer. Go to New Item, Adjustment Layer, rename it to Color, just to keep it organized, and drag that onto your footage and make sure it matches up to the length of all of your clips. Now what we're going to do, make sure you select the color adjustment layer, go into the color tab, creative, look, and browse. And from here you should go online and either buy LUTs or get free LUTs that you can download. It'll save you a lot of time creating your own color, which I will create another tutorial on how to actually create your own custom LUTs like I did here. This one is called Highland. I created this. So if you'd like for me to attach any free LUTs in the future, let me know and I'll gladly do that. So I'm going to select this, and as you can see, it automatically adds a color to here. So if you toggle this eye, you can see what it does. Second clip, see that? Third clip. And then from here you can go into the individual clip, and if you go to basic correction, you can adjust all these settings that you can play with and you have a lot of control over, which is awesome. You can adjust the contrast, exposure, shadows, highlights, whites, blacks, the warmth of it. So if you toggle this off, those are the local adjustments you made on the clip, the color. And if you toggle this off, this is the entire LUT over all of the clips. So let's go back in here and let's turn this on. So this is the color we just made in about 30 seconds on this clip. It's that simple. Let's go over to this clip now. So we have this LUT above, the base LUT, but as you can see, the clip is a little dark. So what we're gonna do, you can up the shadows, you can up the highlights, you can lower the highlights, basically adjust however you think will be best, maybe the exposure up a bit. So we toggle this off, you can see what we did in this local clip with these local adjustments. Let's go to the last clip. Since this clip is actually from the same scene, what we can do is we can copy from this clip and then actually paste doing Command V onto this clip. So if you look, the settings on these 2 clips are exactly the same, with the base LUT remaining the same over all 3 clips. And then if you want to make any more fine-tuned adjustments, you can lower the shadows, the highlights, whatever you would like to do. It really is that simple. I hope you learned something. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see you next Monday. Have a great weekend.